Hello everyone. In my last Nebulyft video, I talked to you in detail about all the wonderful features of this device. And in this follow-up video, I'm going to share with you my before and afters after 6 weeks of using this device to see if consistent use has actually tightened and firmed my skin as claimed. To quickly review, the Nebulyft is a radiofrequency device that is designed to tighten sagging skin and minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Its special features are that you can use it all over the face, the neck, and the under eye area, which y'all know I love radiofrequency underneath the eye. So this is really like 2 devices in one that you can use it underneath the eye and the whole face. If you're looking for a radiofrequency device, make sure that you are picking the device that is going to be the best for you to be consistent. I have done a bunch of radiofrequency device reviews, so make sure that you're always being very thorough with your research and checking out which one you can be consistent with, because that's really how you're going to get results. If you have any of the Nebulyft devices, please leave us a comment in the comment section below and let us know how you like using it. Okay, let's talk about where I used this device. I used it on the face. I also used it underneath the eyes. I did not use it on my neck because I was testing a different device. How often did I use it? This is really interesting, and I'm super excited to share with you my before and afters because this device is recommended to use every single day. It is 5 watts, and that would make sense. However, because I'm a radiofrequency user, I've been using radiofrequency for 3 years. So I thought, well, I could probably just use it 3 times a week like I usually do other devices. However, I noticed that I really needed to bump it up after that. So the first 3 weeks, I used it for 3 times a week. And then the last 3 weeks, I actually bumped it up to 6 times a week. And you're gonna see a difference. Let's go ahead and look at my before and afters. Always my disclaimer, I am not a professional photographer. And after many years, I find that the best lighting is actually indoors in my bathroom. And I do colored, and I'm also gonna show you black and white. I feel that the black and white gets rid of any lighting issues, so you can just really focus on sagging skin and the fine lines. You'll see the difference in just a moment. So also, what are my expectations? Please note that I have been using radiofrequency for over 3.5 years. So my expectations are that I want to maintain my results. And if you are new here, hello, my name is Jody Lynn, and I am trying to look my best for my age and do everything at home. I do not get any injections, surgery, and I feel that I have made great changes in my skin, and I didn't even start until I was 47 years of age. So with a good skincare routine, SPF daily, and the help of beauty devices, I feel that I've made great changes in my skin. And I'm 52 years old, and I feel much better with the way that I look now than what I did at 47. How I did that was microcurrent paired with radiofrequency. So radiofrequency does work. It was not with the Nebulyft, but my point is radiofrequency does work. And at home, radiofrequency is not going to melt fat in your face. If it would have definitely done that by now on my skin because I've been using it over 3.5 years. All right, let's go ahead and look at my results. I've got 2 photos that I want to share with you, the first 3 weeks and then the last 3 weeks. So the first 3 weeks, like I indicated, I only use this device 3 times a week. And that's because I've been using radiofrequency for over 3.5 years. If you can see from my before and after anyway, I felt, especially with the mid-cheek line, my face was starting to drop. I didn't feel it was as tight as the first photo. My face, and this is what I'm noticing, that my face drops pretty quickly. And the reason I think that is because I'm post-menopausal and I am unable to go on hormone replacement therapy. Estrogen does a lot of wonderful things for our skin. So I think that that is the reason why my skin drops so quickly. Obviously, I'm not a scientist. I don't know for sure, but that is what I notice, is that if I'm not consistent with my radio frequency, my face drops very quickly. So what I ended up doing was the last 3 weeks, I ended up bumping up the treatment sessions. So I started doing 6 times a week. And I also decided that it was probably important for me to use the recommended treatments that Nebulyft does recommend, which is every day. So I didn't do it 7 days a week, but I did do it 6 days a week because I like to give my face at least 1 day rest from all beauty devices. And as you can see, from those 3 weeks, I feel like my skin definitely went in the right direction that I feel a lot more happy with. So I feel like it was able to then maintain my results from my original photo. I feel like the biggest change that you can see is definitely in that mid-cheek line. And those mid-cheek lines, I'm going to post a video here if you want more information on mid-cheek lines. However, mid-cheek lines, if you've got those lines, radiofrequency is the best at minimizing those lines. So let's go ahead and talk about if I recommend this device. I absolutely recommend this device. I think it's a great device, especially that you can use it all over the face, neck, as well as that under eye area. So the price to me is a bit pricey. However, because I can use that device underneath the eye area, I really feel like you're getting 2 devices in one. I love the ease of use of this. I love my results. And you all know that I love radiofrequency underneath the eye. And I also do recommend that if this is something that you are looking into, that you need to be consistent using it at least 6 to 7 days a week for at least the first month. And then you can kind of reevaluate after there and find that perfect time that might fit for you. Like maybe you can do it 5 times a week and it will maintain your results. That's going to have to do with like trial and error, and everyone is different. If you are not postmenopausal, if you are and you're on hormone replacement therapy, you may see that your face is not dropping so quickly. So after that first 30 days, you actually might be able to go down to maybe even 3 to 5 days a week. It really depends, and that is going to be up to you and your skin. If you have any questions regarding this device, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm great at getting back to you. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you do not miss my upcoming videos. Until next time.